still trying to pet these guys. This is the sneak peek. Come on. Come on, you guys can do it. All you have to do is get petted to get your head in the bucket. That's all you have to do. These guys are coming down to visit us. Maybe. Come on, come down here. Are you feeling lonely at the other end or what?
Hello to you too. Hi, girl.
Oh, my finger's in the way. Oh. Sorry, I had a fly on my leg. I just itched it. Hi, come here.
I like the one with the dark. Why do you like the one with the darker body?
I just want to name her Red Velvet. The dark one. The dark hair, so the white nose or the pink
Which
nose.
one do you like?
I like both of them. That's why Dad got them for me.
Which one do you like?
I don't know. We haven't had them long enough. Hi. Come here. Here, look. Here's some grain right here. Do you want some and some water? I better hold still, I guess. Yeah, I didn't know. It's kind of a struggle.
I don't think he's ever tagged anything before, honestly.
Hi, girls. This water's sweet.
It's okay. Just stand behind me. You're all right.
Feet stepped on. Luna.
Look at her. She's putting up with it. Oh, good girl. That was pretty good. She toughed that out for a few seconds. Oh, she's like, oh, that wasn't so bad. Oh, good girl. This is such torture to get petted while you get a little mouthful. Come on, it's right here. Come on, you can do it. All we want is to be friends.
She has a butt in her. The bloody ears, Mom.
Well, you're sneaky when everybody's busy. Does that feel good? Good girl. A little scratch behind the ear. Not bad, huh?
I like the one that has like that black nose. It looks like a kissing noise.
This is the one that I want to name Red Velvet right there.
The one sucking on the water.
Yep.
I like that other one with those like straight horns. I like that one. I like number 4. I like number 5.
Well, should we name that one Sunset? The other one? I don't know. Oops, what happened?
I do like the name Red Velvet.
She tripped, kind of.
It's just there's only gonna be one animal that's not gonna be named a flower. Is Red Velvet. Is Brandon?
You're okay. You're okay. I know you want to touch her.
It's not a flower name.
Just stand there. Stand there. Hold still. See what happens.
Four-leaf clover. That's a four-leaf clover. It's not lucky.
It's a lucky four-leaf clover.
Oh, no. Come here.
That's
You don't want to chase him.
It's a green leaf plant. Clover has a flower.
Clover isn't a flower either.
It does.
Yeah, but
Yeah, but the clover has a flower, huh, Jamie?
Yeah,
The
sure
flower
does.
is lucky.
Let's just name her Clover then instead of Lucky. I like Lucky. Like, name her Lucky Clover. What we're talking about here is we're talking about naming our
her
buddy.
name is Lucky. And then her second name
It's
is
not going to be very lucky when you drop her on her head.
Just name her Lucky Clover.
Lucky. The
I
first
don't
name
know.
is Lucky. Second
I'd
name
like
is
to name the other red one Sunset.
Red velvet and sunset, huh? Which one's which?
I just told you.
One with the darkness
Light nose
is
one is red
sunset,
velvet.
and then one
Look
that
at their
has-
coats. One is more bright red, darker red.
Just tell me about the nose. Light nose.
The light nose is red velvet.
And the dark nose is sunset.
Yep. Good job, Arya. Just walk up to her and then back off. Yep. See, as soon as she gets uncomfortable, then back away. Yep. You don't want to chase them.
Mom, this was different. It was like that.
Yeah, they've worn the ground down, haven't they?
Yeah.
Well, we're getting better. We're getting closer. They still want this bucket. They're waiting for us to walk away.